We are in Vegas. What is happening, everybody? I ran into a good buddy. I say ran into. He just happened to be walking around with some antelope.
Yep, just happen to have backstrap walking
Tell me
around.
what we're making today.
Antelope backstraps. We're going to turn them into tacos.
Boom. It's going to be awesome. Super good. I'm going to make a little quick little pico. We should stop talking. We'll show you how to do it. All right, James, you are going to get started on this beautiful backstrap while he is telling you all about prepping the stunning meat that you caught. This is, what did you say? You know every step of the way that this backstrap made it here?
Yep.
You know the journey?
The whole field dressing process, I went through all of it from field to literally this table. This backstrap has been with me the whole time. Not walking around the parking lot.
Show me how to clean
freezer.
The whole time you caught it in the parking lot.
Yeah, that's where.
I am not. I'm going to make a quick little pico while you are cleaning that up. I'm not super familiar with antelope. To be honest, I've never had it. So is it like elk, like venison? How can you describe it?
Closer to deer. Elk is a little, in my opinion, tastier, but
it's super lean. Look at that.
Super lean. There's still zero fat. But you want to get all the silver skin off. You don't want to eat any of that.
Do you always? You go out hunting. You know you're bringing back a ton of meat, right?
I mean, if I'm successful, yeah, the freezer's going to be full.
Oh, right, if you're successful. Yeah. How often are you successful?
I've actually had a lot of failure.
Well, you're a bow hunter, right?
Yep, I'm really big into archery. That's my pride and joy. But
if you guys haven't, go check out Big Black BBQ on Instagram. Really, really funny stuff. I'd like to meet Keisha in real life.
She's a
beautiful bow.
Yeah, she's a real problem sometimes. A lot of sass.
Oh wait, we actually are doing something. You mentioned earlier about needing some fat, right?
Yeah, we're definitely going to need some fat for this.
So over here on the griddle, CJ, I don't know if you can see it, we have a little pan of butter. Is it just unsalted butter? We're just going to rough chop some of this garlic, and we're going to go right in there. So we need to kind of bolster up the flavor of this with some fat.
Really? Big time.
And we're doing it with garlic fat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Big time.
Now, this pico is really, really simple. I've just got some diced tomato, some diced, tiny diced red onion, some lime juice, and let's go with a little bit of olive oil and some of our fajita seasoning. And you know what, let's add a little bit of minced jalapeno as well, and that is a simple pico.
So when I'm trimming backstraps, I try to keep the knife angled in a way that it's not going to dig into the meat. I definitely want to kind of angle it, not all the way upward, but just a little bit towards
the silver skin's kind of chewy, so you want to get rid of it.
I don't want to eat it.
No,
and I don't think anyone else does. If you are going to experience a gamey taste, it's going to be in the fat or it's going to be in the silver skin. Most people don't find it tasty. I definitely don't. So
it's chewy too. You just don't want it.
Yeah, it's not like fat on beef.
But then when it's done, it's perfect. It looks gorgeous, just clean and nice like that.
Clean, tasty protein. That's what we're going for.
Now, seasoning these are pretty simple, right? Just like you do olive oil,
essential blends, and let them rest for about 5 minutes.
And then, so it sits for what, 4 or 5 minutes, and then you get on a screaming hot griddle.
Yep.
How hot do you go for?
Medium high.
Yep. You want it to be smoking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then how long do you cook them?
I start off initially 2 minutes on the one side, 2 minutes on the other, and then it's all just feel. It should feel similar to like this part of your hand.
Oh, I like that trick. So you want to take it to rare?
Yes.
And then you how far do you want to cook it total?
Medium rare is where you want.
Yeah.
That's where you want it to be. About
but it's so lean.
35 internal.
You can do that pretty easily because it's so lean. Like you get that gorgeous texture.
Quick.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
It's pretty quick. Super lean meat. You want to add fat because without it, it's going to come out maybe just a little dry. Still nice and juicy, but adding fat, can't go wrong with it.
Well, like when you're making sausage, you can grind fat in, but a steak like this, you just got to add that gorgeous, beautiful garlic butter.
Yep. That's the best way I found to add any venison or any other wild game you're cooking.
Do you have to let this rest before you slice like beef, like other fattier cuts?
You don't have to. I definitely think it tastes a little bit better. Just
let it
all
rest?
those seasoning just rest for a little bit.
So let it rest, what, 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes?
3 minutes tops.
Yeah. Then we slice it thin?
Yep.
So with your tortillas, we're using corn tortillas, right? Soft?
Yep.
So do you like to toast those? Like to get them crispy, or like do you keep them just warm?
I throw them on the Blackstone just a little bit, toast them up just a little bit. I like mine just a little warm, lightly toasted.
Heck yeah. I like to do really basic, simple sauce. I start with sour cream, a little bit of fajita seasoning, taco fajita seasoning, a little bit of lime juice, and that's kind of it. Maybe some cilantro if you want. Really basic, simple, easy sour cream sauce. Adds a lot of flavor. So to build these, we're going to go on top of our tortilla with our meat.
Yep.
Then some of our pico. Then some of our sauce. Easy.
I mean, I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Cojita at the end.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and say goodbye to this. I'm going to get down on this one right here. You know what? Which one do you want? You got to get in with me.
So many options. I'll go with this one.
So this is my first time having antelope, as odd as that sounds. So I'm
excited for
excited.
you.
Thank you for coming and hang out.
Oh.
Whoa. It's surprisingly tender. That's fantastic. That's a really easy one. I mean, we kind of did basic Instagram taco technique. We did it for the gram. That's how you do. There's nothing wrong with that. I do all day. What kind of wild game would you put with this?
Too busy eating, I don't know.
Too busy eating everything you catch? Can we go hunting together?
Sure.
Can we take
You
CJ?
You got a bow?
I do have a bow.
Let's do it.
I don't think CJ has a bow. CJ, do you have a
Can I
bow?
borrow a bow? How about Bowisha?
Bokeisha.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, that's kind of
Bokeisha.
my bottom bow.
Okay.
You know, I don't really share my bows, but
Never
He don't
mess
share
with
his bows,
another
boo.
man's bow.
I mean, I love them bows.
If you guys haven't yet, be sure to go check out Big Black BBQ on Instagram. He's super fun. A lot of really funny videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't yet, click the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Go watch CJ's show. Off camera, he said he watched CJ's show first. Yeah, here he is as a guest on my show. That's whatever.
Why are you telling everybody my business like that?
No, that's good business.
No, you just told everyone here, off camera. He didn't want you guys at home to know.
Well, you know.
Yeah, you
I
know.
thought we were in the circle of trust.
You're out of the circle.
There's a chink in the chain.
He's movie quoting.
Oh!
Wrong show. Be sure to
Yeah.
check out CJ's show, Betty's show, Todd's show, all the other fun shows. Check out griddlenation.com. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. Today is antelope. Tomorrow, maybe something else delicious that we catch together.
Wild game.
There we go. See you guys in the next video.